Let's make some smothered fried potatoes and onions with a little surprise. But right here I have 2 potatoes cut up like French fries. We're gonna put them in hot grease. Oh, real hot grease. Now guys, to these potatoes in this hot grease, we're gonna salt them. Salt to your taste, black pepper, and I put a little bit of chili powder on lots of things. I love the taste of chili powder. And then we're going to kind of just stir them around a minute, and then we're going to cover them, turn our heat down. And I've got just enough grease in there, guys, that it's a little bit of grease and not just a pan, okay? Now, we're going to take and cut us an onion up. I've already peeled it and got it ready to cut up. We're literally just going to cut it in strips, just like that. But let's keep checking them. We're going to kind of fry like French fries, but by having the top on them, we're smothering them, of course. Okay, guys, now here is my surprise ingredient. I like a little jalapeno in mine from time to time when it's just me eating. We do want to take the membrane out with the seeds. Okay, now we're fixing to go ahead and put our onions in with our potato. It is slowed down its cooking, so it's not like cooking overly fast. But every time when you're cooking them like this, guys, when you raise it, make sure that you put your pan top so that the grease will go down, the water will go down in your pan, because that's what you want. That steam is what creates the smother fry, okay? Now we're gonna get our jalapenos cut up, and then I'm just gonna cut him in like 3 pieces. And with what little bit I've got, that half of jalapeno will be plenty. And you can, guys, listen, you can take that whole half of jalapeno and just lay it in there and let it cook too, which we might do, and then just take it out when we're ready for the food. To be honest, it looks like I almost want a few more onion. I like a lot of onion, and cooked onion is just absolutely delicious to me. We're going to put us some more in there. Now here it starts sizzling, so it's starting to cook. Okay, guys, now my onions have cooked a little bit and they're getting a little soft. So I'm going to add these jalapenos in there. And I'm going to go ahead and add just about a teaspoon of water, just so that it'll have something to steam with, so it can smother a little bit more. Y'all tell me in the comments down there if y'all like smothered fried onions and how you cook yours, because everybody cooks different. Now my mom, she didn't really brown hers, and sometimes we don't brown ours. Sometimes we do it so where we go ahead and put a little water in it, and then that way it is already, when we put the potatoes in, we already put the water, so then the potatoes stay kind of white looking, and they're not brown at all, unless we just let them cook a little longer. And then sometimes we do them in just a little bit of oil, just like we did today. But they're cooking good. We'll be back when they're about ready. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take them up. I should have put my jalapenos in there a little bit sooner. They're not quite as done as I'd like, so probably what I'll do is just pick them out, put them back in here for a little while. But my potatoes are getting real brown, so I need to go ahead and get them up. But they're smelling so good. And there we go, guys. This one kind of cooked like what I wanted to cook. See, like that. So I may just leave them. Guys. I'll leave my big one in there, but there we go. There is our supper. Smothered fried potatoes and onions with surprise of jalapeno. All right, love you guys.